How to convert images to text using AI. I have two images, photo from book and the photo from a website. Head over to chatgpt.com. Click on New Chat, upload image, photo from book, and simply type convert to text. As you can see here, it is now converted to text using a ChatGPT or AI. You can use Gemini as well. I have another photo from a website. Upload it here and also type a prompt, convert to text. As you can see here, how to fix product page URLs, and in the same way, it is converted into a text. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.